Hi everyone! Today I'll show you what happens inside the internet by following one tiny traveler called a packet.
It all starts when I send a message. My device turns my words into a small block of data. This is our packet. Big files are too large to send all at once, so they're cut into smaller pieces, just like slicing a loaf of bread. Each piece gets a tracking number, so it can be put back in the correct order once it arrives. Next, it gets an address label, where it's coming from and exactly where it needs to go.
Now it's loaded onto a local delivery vehicle, ready to travel to the very first stop on its journey.
It shoots out through the network cable, turned into pulses of light, moving faster than we can blink. At the local switch, it's like a sorting office. Machines read the label and send it down the right lane. At the router, it's like reaching a giant highway interchange. And the best road is chosen instantly. Before going further, it passes through a firewall, a security checkpoint that only lets safe data through. From here, it joins millions of other packets, racing along cables that stretch under oceans and across continents. When I type a website name, a system called DNS looks it up, like finding a number in a giant phone book.
If one server is busy, a load balancer sends the packet to another, like being guided to a shorter checkout line.
Finally, it arrives at the server, the powerful computer that stores the website or app we asked for.
The server carefully removes every label and wrapper, just like unpacking a parcel, until only the message is left.
All the small pieces are put back together in the right order, like completing a jigsaw puzzle.
The server reads the request and prepares a reply, and this all happens in a tiny fraction of a second. A brand new packet is created, this time carrying the answer, ready to make the journey back to me. It gets wrapped and labeled all over again, exactly like before, just heading in the opposite direction. Back through the light-speed cables it goes, retracing its path across the world in the blink of an eye. It passes through the same router and switch, each one instantly recognizing where it needs to go next. One more security check at the firewall, and it's cleared to continue heading home. At last, it arrives back at my device, home after a journey most of us never even think about.
The layers are removed one last time, and the message becomes something I can actually see and read.
And here's the incredible part. This whole journey, there and back, takes less than a single blink. And I'm not alone. Billions of packets are making journeys just like this, every second, all around the world. Let's quickly recap. Physical, data link, network, transport, and application. Five layers that make the internet work.
Along the way, it passed through switches, routers, firewalls, and servers, all working together perfectly.
So next time you send a message or open a website, remember, a tiny packet is working incredibly hard for you. Thank you for watching. That's a day in the life of a packet.